Hello friends, this is CA Nikun Shah, a practicing chartered accountant from Mumbai, India. Since over 15 years, I have been advising my clients on the best ways to implement Microsoft Excel for business decision making, forensic data analytics, and audit analytics. I also testify before the Honorable Mumbai High Court as a forensic accountant.
I take the pleasure to welcome you all to my unique, one of its kind training program on audit and forensic data analysis with Microsoft Excel. This program is specially designed for audit professionals and students who wish to master data analysis. Auditors involved with any kind of audit, whether internal, external, performance, management, or tax audit, can look forward to benefit from this program. This program is divided into two parts. In the first part, I shall talk about concepts like different kinds of analytics, what is business, audit, and forensic data analysis. I shall also share why data integrity is important in audit and forensic data analysis. I shall share what are the phases in an audit analytics engagement. In the second part, I shall be sharing the most effective ways to use Microsoft Excel to import data and analyze it from an audit and forensic perspective. In this, we shall be working together on realistic data files in a hands-on, step-by-step manner. Multidimensional analysis of data, Pareto's rule, Benford's law, relative size factor theory are a few analysis techniques that I shall be sharing with the participants.
But that's not all. I shall also be sharing with you the ways to read and interpret the result of analytics and make audit sense out of it. There shall be brainstorming sessions and case studies so that by the end of this training program, you stand out as an accomplished audit analytics professional. I trust that you shall have an enriching learning experience. Namaste and thank you.